Let's look at 16th. 10 power 68 is divided by 13 and you were supposed to find out the remainder. Now, a bit of binomial expansion is something that if is available with us, if we are able to retain that and use it, it will be very, very helpful. So 10 will become what? 13 minus 3 to the power of 68 divided by 13. Remainder will be same as minus 3 to the power of 68 divided by 30. Why am I interested in 3 in the numerator? Because 3 cube is giving me 27, which is 26 plus 1. And 26 is a multiple of 13. So that is how I'm looking at thinking about 3 and then powers of 3, right? Minus 3 to the power of 68 is effectively nothing but 3 to the power of 68 divided by 13. So if I go further, I'll say 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 22 will give me 66, and then you will have a 3 square separately divided by 30. Now, I just want you to evaluate 27, which is 3 cube to the power of 22, right? If you go further, you can rewrite this as 26 plus 1 to the power of 22, correct? And when you divide this value by 30, what are we going to get? We are going to get a remainder of 1 by 30, correct? So can I not simply say that 27 to the power of 22 must be of the format 13k plus 1? Now replace it over here. 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 22, which is effectively 27 to the power of 22, which we will say 13k plus 1 multiplied by 3 square 9 divided by 13. This we realize 13k multiplied by 9 by 13 will of course be divisible by 13 plus 9 by 13, and the remainder will turn out to be what? 9. Option C, 9 will be the correct answer.